feature. So now we are just going to enter into the sketcher module. Here we have to draw one sketcher. Front plane we have selected. The axis we have to drive, and after that vertical, horizontal, vertical line, and now we have to draw a line segment here. Give the size. The size we need to have is 100 as per the drawing, and now we have to make it symmetric. Now draw the line segment here of having the size 30. So we are just giving the size 30, and now after that give the second value. That length will be around 50 as they showed us, which is 50, and now just make it 20. Now after that close it. Now we have got the closed entity here. Exit from the feature, and now we will see there they have showed us 30 radius also, sorry. So we can define radius also. So just re-enter the sketch number 1, Ctrl+8. Now use the feature filleting, and here we have defined the filleting radius is 30. Done. Just exit, and now make it isometric, Ctrl+7, and then after that just make it revolve like this. Here is a feature which is called revolve or base feature, revolve base feature or revolve cut feature. So both feature we can apply here. I'm just applying here the one feature which is revolve base. Just pick the entity, and now it will ask you the revolution axis. So that axis will be taken automatically. If you want to give some other axis, so just clear selection, and now pick this one. This will be the center axis, and the object has been derived with help of that. And if you want to give the radius, so that will be shown like limits, blind, vertex, surface, offset from surface, and mid plane. So here we are defining the value 180, then semi profile will be there. If I am giving here 360, so the profile will be of 360. So if I want to make it thin feature, so that will be a thin feature. The size I'm defining here is around 5 millimeter. So automatically will be given a defined value which is 5 mm. So but I don't need to use this option right now. I'm just going to OK. So we'll see there the revolution has been done, and now we'll see there if I want to make it hollow. So we have the option for making it hollow, but right now we cannot use the option like shell feature or something like that. We will discuss this topic in our next sessions. So right now we have the option which is called revolve cut. So I'm just using the same plane here, which is front plane on which we have derived the previous model. So now we have to go for new sketch, Ctrl+8, and now you can see there we can draw again a center line as we drawn previously. Now just make it a defined length. Size you need to give the previous size of 50 millimeter. So now we have to define if I want to give the thickness of 5 millimeter, then 5 should be less. It means the 45 value should be there. What was the size? Let me see in my previous view. $30 millimeter was there. So that should be 25. Re-enter the sketch. We can re-enter the sketch by clicking here, and here is the option edit sketch. Now give the size 25, and now here should be a complete length, and again this should be given, and here the length should be given. Previous one was 20, so that should be 15. And now after that, you have to give the length of this. This length should be around 50, and then after that close the segment, and now just this previous size was 30, so there should be 25, less than 5 millimeter. And now after that just exit and just make it revolve cut. Axis, same thing will be there, and OK. Whole entirety will be hollowed. If I don't want to make it hollow, I want to make it cut but not from thoroughly, so you just do one thing, enter into the sketch once again. Here is the option which is edit sketch, Ctrl+8, and now we'll see there this should be also offsetted to 5 millimeter. So I am just giving the line segment here, and now give the size or the length should be 5 millimeter. Oh, that should not be done. Ctrl+Z, and after that the length I need to have now, so just give the overall length should be 5, and now make it trim. 8, 10, 10, and this size should be given also 16 automatically. This should be 15 now, so we have just given the value which is 15 and make it done. So now we'll see there the object has been cut out. Now we can see there is a overcut there like this. So if you want to draw this, so you can make it also same. In the same manner you can go for front and go for new sketch, and after that I want to see in the transparency, the transparent area of that, so just go for make it light, and after that just make it clear, and this should be till outside. So now this thickness I am just giving 2.5, and here is the length I am defining here is around 15 millimeter, and click OK. Before that just make a center line there and exit. Now this should be closed, so that was needed there and I didn't make it closed, so that was a problem, so I just need to make it closed. Solidified. Now make a line here, line segment here, close it, and now use the feature revolve cut. Use the center axis to cut down, and then you will see there the object has been cut down like this. So by this way we can get the revolve feature. This is called revolve. Then revolve cut. Done.